Okay, in today's video, I'm so excited. This literally just came in the mail. I am out of breath because I had to go downstairs and get it. This is the spring Walmart beauty box. I love this beauty box. This is probably the cheapest box that I get. This is only $6.98. And then depending on where you live, sales tax, so it comes to $7.44. But it's only seasonal, every 3 months. Let me make sure. Yeah, it is the spring box. And it is variation 1. I don't think I've ever, well, when I open it, you'll see it better. I don't think I've ever had variation 1. I mean, there's times I get like variation 23, 35. There's always a lot. So, gosh, I'm out of breath. What this is, it's like samples of beauty items. So it could be hair, nails, makeup, what have you. Different brands that they sell at your Walmart. And so you get to try it out. So I was filming some unboxings. I filmed my BoxyCharm for April, another unboxing, and then I did a little like sit down coffee talk. And, of course, I got to edit it yet because I was waiting for this box. And then I was downstairs. I let Aura go out, you know, to, what do you call it? To go to the bathroom and all of that, the other dogs. And I'm like, is that the mailman? Because our mail usually comes anywhere between 12 and 2. And it is literally, what time? It's 3:22. So it came pretty late today. I'm like, when you're waiting for, oh no, I didn't. I'm like, when you're waiting for something, that's when it doesn't come. So if you can see, it says, can you see? I don't know if it's blurry. Let me get my butt up. I think you can see that, right? Yeah, but anyway, variation 1. So let's see what we got. I'm so excited. I think this is new too. I think, didn't the Walmart boxes used to be white? I want to say, I don't remember. I actually like this color. Okay. So it says a beauty in bloom. That is the theme for spring. And then this is a little different. So I don't know. I'm not sure if this is telling me what's in my box. Usually you have a bunch of items and it tells you what could be in your box. And then what it does, it gives you the prices if it was full size. So we'll have to see. But here is a little sneak peek. Not too much. I like to tease a little bit. And you do get full-size items. It's not guaranteed, but most of the time I get at least 2 full-size items. So it's definitely worth the money. I always recommend this. And a lot of times I forget about it until I get an email saying, oh, they just charged me for my Walmart beauty box. I'm like, oh my gosh. Because, you know, you don't miss $7 every 3 months. You know what I mean? Not like a BoxyCharm or something like that gets taken out every month. Okay, so the first thing I see, and this, I don't know if this is full size. This is the Nair Face and Bikini Wax Ready Strips. Ooh, okay. Orchid and Cherry Blossom Extracts. How many do you get? You get 8 strips. So let's see. So this is not full size. A full size would have a 40 count for $6.97. That's not bad. Yeah, it says sample, not for individual sale. That is not bad. 40 strips for only $7, if you know. Let's see what size they are. I mean, I know this is only 8, but okay. So those are the sizes. So that's pretty good if you have a mustache or what have you, or like you would have to put a couple, I guess. I'm not sure. But okay. Oh, they come different sizes. Look. Okay, so maybe that's for, I don't know, but it comes with a big and small. So you have your choice if you like it big or small.
Oh, you nasty.
So that's pretty good. So I guess you get 4 of the small and 4 of the big ones. Okay, I am really happy to try this. I remember, who remembers back in the day? Okay, now I'm almost 50, so we're going back in the day, like when I was in high school, and I remember using the Nair. Remember in the Nair?
We wear short shorts. If you dare wear short shorts, Nair for short shorts.
The cotton test proves Nair leaves legs smoother days longer than shaving. Now Nair Bikini Kit for a sleek bikini line.
And it was the lotion you put on your legs, and that smell. I haven't used Nair in probably about 30 years. I don't know. But I can still remember that horrible smell. It's like Noxzema. You can't forget that smell. You know? Oh my God, it would burn and everything else. Gosh, we were so dumb. D-U-M dumb back then. Okay, so we have that. The next thing is, I've got this before and I really like it. This is the Degree Advanced 72 Hours. Now, I don't know who would go 3 days with not putting on deodorant, just this. But, so I never tested it that long. But I do like it. So a full size will be $6.12 for a 3.8 ounce. And this is, what is it? 1 ounce. And it's in the scent Sexy Intrigue. Do I have that? I think I don't. I used that one up. Oh, I wrote this. You know what I've been loving? I am a Mitchell girl all the way. TMI, okay? Now, my daughter likes the powder ones. I like this gel, but if I am going to use a spray, this Dove is my absolute favorite. It's in the apple and white tea. I really, really like this a lot. So, all right, let me smell this. Yes, I have gotten this before. Oh, look. Let me see. I have one over here. Look. See? I told you I got them. And this is almost gone. This is in Sexy Intrigue. Okay, the same thing. So I got this last time, but these are great to keep in your pocketbook. Summer's coming around, okay? So I always keep these small ones in my pocketbook and stuff. All right, I'm happy to get that. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so we got the CeraVe. This is anti-dandruff hydrating shampoo. Okay, but the other sample is the conditioner. That makes me so happy because, you know, usually you get either or. But usually it's a shampoo or a leave-in conditioner. I love this where you get to try both of them. When beauty boxes first came out, like when Walmart first had their beauty boxes and when Target used to, I wish Target came back. Target was like $7.50 a month. I love their Target beauty boxes. But when they would have them, when they first came out, everything was foil packets. And you'd either get a shampoo or conditioner, but then they started doing both because people were complaining. So I'm so happy you get this size and a shampoo and conditioner. Oh, I'm so happy. And I didn't know CeraVe, is that how you say it? Or CeraVe? I didn't know they had shampoo and conditioner. I just thought they had like lotions and like cleanser and stuff. I did not know that. Did you know that they had shampoo and conditioner? So full size would be $9.97 for 12 ounces. And this is 1 ounce. So you guys know I suffer from a certain type of alopecia. I use hair fibers, hence why you don't really see my scalp too much. And this is a fake ponytail. So my real hair, I mean, this will probably last me for like probably 10 washes. That's the truth. So I am so excited to try this out. All right. Okay. And last but not least, I have from Revolution Translucent Baking Powder. And this is filled to the top. So this is a pretty decent sample. Okay, full size will be $7.98 and 1.12 ounces would be full size, and this is 0.35 ounces. But that's enough to try it and see if you like it. And it comes like that. See the holes? You would peel that off. And I like it because it's not like a white. It's like a creamy color, which I like, a peachy cream color, which I like. Yeah, so that is everything. So I didn't get anything full size. You could have also got a mascara, and that would have been full size. Or you could have got press-on nails. I'm glad I didn't get the nails. I wish I would have got the mascara, but that is okay. Or you could have got, I'm glad I didn't get this either, the NYX Professional Makeup. It's called the Glue Grippin' Primer. And it actually looks like glue, you know, those glue sticks from school, the Elmer's. So, because I don't really use primer. I probably should, but I just don't use it anymore. So, the only other thing I would want is mascara. But then if I had to take one away, I mean, so I'm happy with this, really. So, let's recap. I guess I would probably take this away and get the mascara, but I'm also glad that I got this. And 8 strips, that's plenty to try. So, I'm glad we got this, the Nair wax strips. We got a deodorant. I am always down to get deodorant, always. So, I'm glad to get that. We got the Revolution Translucent powder, and then we got the shampoo and conditioner. Like, I am really excited about this because it's both, you know? And I did not know that they sold shampoo and conditioner. Let me know down below. Yeah, so is this worth $7? You're damn right. Even if you just break even. But usually you always get more than $7. I love this because, like I said, you get to try brands that are at Walmart to see if you like it. There were things that I've gotten in this box that I didn't even know they sell, like different brands. And I really, really like. So yeah, I'm happy. And like I said, $7.44, that's with tax and everything. It doesn't break the bank if it's every 3 months. You know what I'm saying? I do know, like, so when you fill this out, there is a profile and they ask you your age. And I always go for I lie. I always say I'm 25 because when I used to say my real age, they gave me like always like all skincare stuff. And I always want to try some type of makeup stuff. But to be honest, now I don't care. I want the skincare. So I might go back, I think I will, and do my real age. And then with the summer box, we'll see the difference. You know what I mean? I don't know. Or maybe I should buy 2 of them and do 2 different profiles. Like one, that's what I think I'll do for summer. I'll buy one for the summer and do 25, and then one that I'm my age, and we'll see the difference. Like we'll do the verse 25 verse 49 and see what's better, you know, or if it's the same or what have you. Let me know if you'd be interested in that, and I'll definitely do that. I think that's something to see, you know. All right, I'm getting off of here. I did my videos. I filmed a vlog. I need to start editing. Bring these dogs downstairs. Tomorrow, like I was saying in my vlog channel, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me with some of my BoxyCharm items. And then I'm going to start filming outside. If you don't know my vlog channel, I started doing work outside. But like I said, then it started raining and then I had to go away for something. And so anyway, I'm going to get back into doing that. So if you're interested in seeing like a DIY, I don't know what you want to call it, my yard and different things and going shopping and get to know me more on a personal level, then I will link it down below. It's always in my description box. I do have a new channel called I'm Just Ann, where that's more live streams, and I'm planning to go. I was going to go tonight, but I don't know because I still have to cook dinner and stuff. My kids are like, are you cooking? Because I've been gone for over a week, you know. But yeah, I'm definitely going to go live this week. So if you're interested in that, check that out and subscribe. And I'm going to get off of here.
It's about damn time. It's about damn time.
You know the drill. Like the video, dislike the video. Make sure you leave a comment. Commenting really does help out with engagement. Even if it's just an emoji, it would mean the absolute world to me. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye.